What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Christy M, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, I want to welcome you guys to my channel. And if you like what you see, go ahead and click that subscribe button on the side so you are alerted when I do upload new videos. Let's get into it, guys. This video is going to be about how to create the perfect cat eyes. So simple, it's so easy. So let's get right on to it, guys. Alright guys, let's get into this fabulous cat eye look. So I've already done my brows. I've added my concealer, you guys, and also my setting powder to make sure that my foundation is set in a matte formation. Hey, formation. Let's get into this formation. Okay, so anyways, guys. So we're going to go in with my Fenty Beauty by Rihanna matte foundation. My color is 420. I'm going to take my small stipple brush and I'm just going to squirt a little bit of that Rihanna Fenty Beauty on to my small stipple brush. You guys, I got this small stipple brush from Target from the e.l.f. collection. It is so cheap. If you're just now starting out as a YouTuber, especially in the beauty, definitely pick this up. And I'm just going to do small puff pats, you guys, under my eyes and all over my face. I'm going to add 2 coats of this foundation to my face because I love and I want a nice matte finish, like just flawless, almost as if it's my natural skin, if that makes sense, you guys. So I had to move my camera around because the lighting was not perfect and I had to get it right for y'all. I'm just saying, yes, this is so much better. So you guys, you're gonna do this and add the 2 coats and then we're gonna move on to our next step. Now it's time to highlight our face, you guys. I'm using the Lancome. I purchased this from Sephora, you guys. The color is number 10 in Praline. You always want to go at least 2, maybe 3 shades lighter when you're going to do your highlight. So I made that little MAC, my old MAC concealer, into like my new concealer holder. And so I'm going to use my beauty blender and I'm actually going to go up underneath my eyes. I'm going to go on my chin and on my T-zone for my nice highlight, you guys. So once you guys are done adding the concealer up underneath your eyes to your T-zone and chin, we're just going to blend in this to our face. Until it's nice and blended in, but you can still see the highlight, you guys. Now I'm going to go in with my True Complexion Contour Palette. I got this from Target as well, you guys. It has 2, oh, sorry guys, I just freaking dropped almost dropped the camera. Almost dropped it there. Alright guys, so I'm going to take the darker contour color in a slanted brush and I'm going to gently just brush that bottom part of my cheeks. It's going to create a nice structure, a nice, you know, slimming effect down below, up underneath my cheeks. So after I'm done with my bottom level of my cheeks, you guys, I'm going to go up over above where my T-zone area is and I'm just going to create a nice contour there as well to make my highlight pop out more and just kind of blend in with my actual foundation. So love this part. Now I'm going to go back in with that contour, right? And I'm going to go in with a small shadow brush, you guys, a small brush. I'm going to contour my nose and make it a little bit smaller. Although I already have like a slim nose, I mean, I just love to do this part. It's just part of the process at this point, so it is what it is. So you guys, we're just going to make, you know, contour, slim our nose down, blend it in, and go about our business. Alright, you guys, I'm going to go back in with my e.l.f. setting powder, okay? I'm going to use this to put up underneath my eyes where I added my highlight because I don't want to have any creases or anything up underneath my eyes from the concealer since I am using like a liquid concealer. I want to have a nice smooth finish up underneath my eyes. So I'm just going to take that setting powder and just kind of smooth it on out, you guys. So once you're done adding in that setting powder, we're going to go in with our Revlon Color Stay. This is more of a liquid eyeliner, okay? It has a pointed tip. It's going to be perfect for your cat eye. I am going to put my eyelid down, right? And I'm going to start in the middle and just start off by drawing into a more upward, almost as if you're going to make a U shape or a curl shape, you guys. And you're going to make it as long as possible. You can always go back through and trim the endings if you don't want it to be that long, but just kind of curve it into the shape of your actual eye. So you have an almond shape. You're just going to, you know, create that illusion. You know, trace your shape of your eyeball, your eye. So yeah. And so we're going to go in and we're going to do the next eyeball the same way that we did the first one, starting off in that middle, you guys, and then curving up into like maybe a curly fry. Hey, I like curly fries, y'all. I like curly fries. I like french fries. Okay. Anyway, so yeah. So once you're done creating that cat eye, we're going to go in with our concealer, and I'm going to go in with a smaller tip brush, and I'm just going to use the concealer to shape the cat eye more to a pointed at the end, if that makes sense, you guys, because you just don't want it to look any type of way. You definitely want it to have that cat eye effect. And so once you're done with that, you can just clean it up with either a Q-tip or with a beauty blender. Just blend it into your skin because it is concealer. Next, I'm going to go in with my Milk mascara, and I'm going to just lightly go over my eyes with the mascara before I add my lashes. This Milk mascara, actually, they have a good foundation line and have other things as well. I'm going to have to definitely check them out because I feel as if it's for women of color, and I feel as if it would be good on my skin tone as well. So that's going to be probably my next review that I'm going to do when it comes to foundation. So yeah. Next, I'm going to go in with my Morphe highlighter. I'm just going to add a nice highlight up over above my eye where my cheeks are, a smaller area, and kind of stroke up onto the sides of my temple to give me a nice highlight, you guys. Next, I'm going to go in with this Victoria's Secret. It's like a shimmer powder, you guys. It's in the color gold. This is really a fabulous powder. It really makes, you know, any color on your face or anything just kind of pop with its shimmer. So I'm just adding that to give me more of a gold tone to my face and add a brightness to my highlight. And now I'm just brushing my nose, you guys, highlighting my nose with a little bit of my Milani powder. I'm so embarrassed, you guys. It's broken, and I am not going to show you guys this broken stuff. It's ridiculous. So once you're done with your highlight, you guys, we're going to go in with our Morphe. This color, I want to say it's either blush or it's more of a nude color. I'm just kind of cleaning off my lips, you guys, because sometimes when you brush your teeth, you have all this extra stuff on your lips. Like, ew, what is that? Okay, so we're going to add in our lipstick onto our lips. I'm going to do a nice coating, you guys. This color, like I said, I believe is like a blush or a nudie tone. I try to go with more of those tones. It goes well with my skin tone, you guys. So yeah. So now I'm going to go over that lip color with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yeah, guys, I love this color. This color is Sunset, you guys. I think it is perfect for fall. It's a nice orangey tone. Plus, you can blend it in with different lipsticks, or, you know, if you use a lip liner, you can just kind of blend it in, and it just sets off your makeup and your lips, and it's just amazing. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, and as well, it smells like vanilla, and I like that. I like that it has a nice vanilla scent to it. I love this color, you guys. This is so great. It's really good, especially if you're going for like this nude look and you just want to keep it natural. This is a good look. So now I'm getting my life, y'all, with this setting spray. Just getting my life with that setting spray. I think I go overboard a lot of the times with the setting spray. And so yeah, guys, once you're done, your face should look just like this. Total fab. Gorgeous, girl. Look at that cat eye. Just rocking it, girl. Rocking that cat's eye. Yes, girl. Cat eye on fleek. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. If you love this video, make sure you go and click that subscribe button on the side, and also the bell so you are alerted when I do upload new videos. Also, you guys, on my next video, I'm going to be talking about the details for my giveaway, so make sure you tune in to your girl. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.